Hey guys, today we're going to put this Pulluv PF1 pool vacuum to the test. This is a cordless, self-parking robotic pool cleaner that promises to handle cleaning your pool floor with minimal effort. Inside the box, you'll find your user manual, your power cable, you also have your buoy for easy pool retrieval, you have the brush, you have an extra rubber rings for the wheels, you have the 4 sets of screws, and lastly, you have your vacuum head unit. So this vacuum comes with a 52 milliamp hour battery that supports up to 150 minutes of cleaning, which can cover a pool up to 1,345 square feet in one charge. The rubber traction wheel will allow your vacuum to climb slopes up to 18 degrees. The vacuum is rated IP8. Basically, it's good for submerging it underwater. It features a self-parking mode, so the unit will try to return to the pool wall when the job is done or when the battery is low. It has a top-mounted switch and a charging port for easy access. So the battery is located on this side and you have motor on each end of the pool. So this thing can go forward and backward. And this is the filter unit, and it comes with 3-stage filtration, an 80 mesh filter for larger debris, a high density composite filter for fine sediment and soil, and a 150 mesh filter for ultrafine particles. To assemble and clean this is very easy. All you need to do is just take this thing off and wash it off with hose water, and this thing will just snap in. And you just want to align it and put it back into your device. We just want to align this here as well and drop it on and lock it in. To install the buoy, all you need to do is take this top cover up and put your buoy in. You can use the screw that comes with it, and let me go ahead and put this thing right here, and let me open this thing so we can let the buoy float once we throw this into the water. And your brush, you basically want to put this under your vacuum. So if you look in your vacuum, all you need to do is snap this in place, and now we're basically ready to use it. Okay, so to begin your cleaning, all you need to do is press and hold the power button until the light turns green. Once the light is green, this is ready to clean. You want to toss it into your water, and maybe about 5 seconds after you toss it, it's going to start working. Okay, so right now you can see, since it's up in the air, it's not doing anything yet. Okay, so let me go put it in the water, and you can see now it's moving along and doing its job. Okay, so let's go ahead and follow it around a little. So right now it goes up a little to the sidewall and then it goes back. Okay guys, so I'm not sure how long it took, but right now the vacuum ran out of battery. You can see right now the light is red and the vacuum positioned itself next to the wall. It was not able to go back to the original place I put it to. My original place is right there, so this is about, what, 5 feet away. So I would say the vacuum did a really good job trying to go back to where it started. Let's go ahead and pull this thing out and see what it was able to get. To pull this, you just want to grab the buoy. So this is basically the function of this, and you just want to be careful because this thing will be a little heavy because of the water inside. So just want to release that a little, and let's go ahead and put it out. Okay, so now that it's out of the water, let me go see if I can turn it off. There you go. And let me open this thing up, and see what it was able to capture. So let me just pull this thing up. And you know, my pool floor is not really that dirty, but look what it was able to get. I think those are like small particles, small sand. So just gonna throw this thing away. And to clean this, you just want to spray this thing out. Same thing with this one right here, okay? Okay, and then to clean the filter, you can actually open it up and clean each layer, okay? So this is the Pool Lube robot vacuum, and I hope that this video is helpful to you. If it does, please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And also, if you'd like to get this product, you can check the link on the description and on the comment section. From time to time, the company will give me discount codes for this product, and if they do, I will make sure to update the description. So make sure to always check that if you would like to get this product. And thank you for watching.